To create a diagnostic assessment, go to the caseload page, click Action, then Diagnostics. Diagnostics are computer adaptive assessments designed to determine the strengths and weaknesses of students, as well as to determine their predicted grade level. This assessment specifically addresses Common Core standards. To create an assessment, select the grade or difficulty you want the assessment to start at, select the subject you want to assess, and select the length of the assessment. Longer assessments will be more accurate, but will require a greater time commitment. If you click Previous Grade Level, any students that have taken the diagnostic assessment before in the selected subject area will begin the assessment at the grade level they ended at last time. You can create a diagnostic for all students at once or select just a few students. Finally, give your diagnostic a name and click Create Assessments. Students take diagnostic assessments just like any other assessment at tracklearning.com/assess. To view the results, click View, select a student, and click the diagnostic you want to view. From here, you can view their predicted grade level, look at the questions they answered, and look at how they did on different target skills. For target skills they did not pass, you can add these skills to the student's goals. Simply click Add Goal. The only parameter you need to adjust is the date. You will also have the option to add all suggested goals at once. For students that have completed multiple diagnostic assessments, you can also view the results over time. You can also search for diagnostic assessments by exam name. In the same way, you can view the student's results like before once the exam is complete. This will also give you the ability to view the predicted grade level of the entire group assessed, as well as to determine the strengths and weaknesses of the group at large. This concludes this video. Please reach out if you have any questions.